I'm Chris Christensen, and this is a Yelp review by Mark S. of the Phnom Penh restaurant Asian Cuisine. Went here for dinner, based on positive Yelp reviews. They must have new management. I ordered a chicken curry dish and failed to find any chicken in it. I did find plenty of boiled, soggy, bumpy skin, connective tissue, and cartilage. I had to order a beer to numb my shock and horror at what they considered edible. That led me to my next shock. At this restaurant that specializes in Asian cuisine, it only has one Asian beer brand. Let's recap. Chicken dish was chicken waste, parts, skin, cartilage, connective tissue, and the rice extremely overcooked, soft paste-like menu featured one Asian beer, Sapporo. After tip, the service was kind of attentive, but I paid $19, and the best thing I ate was the fortune cookie. I've never felt compelled to write a negative review, but I really want to prevent you from having a similar experience. 1 star.